forewarning, this last section is about sustainability. And however we cut and slice it, retail has a mountain to climb. Every action we take, from the things we sell, to the resources we make them from, to the ways they are packaged, to how we get them to the stores themselves, and the resources it takes to run them, to what happens to the products when we're done with them. Everything we do, every step of the way, has an impact. But it's perhaps because of this reality that retail can make more meaningful moves towards good than almost any other industry in the world. But we've got some work to do. Thankfully, some folks are pointing the way, and some folks are taking a lead. And that's what I'm going to talk about. In 2020, McKinsey recommended 5 abatements to the fashion industry to turn the corner. In reality, these 5 abatements apply to all categories of retail, and physical stores are a part of all of them. Abatement number 1, make your products from sustainable materials, decarbonize manufacturing, and reduce waste and pollution at the source. Think about a brand like Patagonia, all organic cotton production since 1996, which has led to a 45% reduction in greenhouse gases, 90% reduction in water used, and 0% toxic chemicals. The same metrics that apply to products apply to store design and production. Cradle-to-cradle material use, non-toxic fabrication techniques, designed with no waste in mind, and transparency of production. Abatement number 2, only make as much as you need. Reduce waste on the back end. Levi's have a project called FLX. Since 2018, it's a totally new operating model. It's developed in-house and centered on on-demand production. If Levi's can engineer their supply chain to make jeans to order, we can make stores to order, instead of warehouses of fixtures with no other use. Abatement number 3, reduce emissions from your own operations. Recycle, employ sustainable transportation, improve your packaging, and decarbonize your operations. The best example that we've seen is Marks & Spencer's Plan A. Since its launch in 2007, Marks & Spencer's has become certified carbon neutral globally. 87% of their packaging is wholly recyclable. Store energy use is down 47%. Greenhouse gas from refrigeration is down 78%. They are 0% waste to landfill, and fuel use from truck deliveries has been cut in half. They are currently the number 1 sustainable retailer globally. Plan A is literally a roadmap for how to develop and run a wholly sustainable retail fleet at massive scale. And if you haven't seen it, it's worth a look. Abatement number 4, encourage new customer behaviors, promote rental, resale, and reuse. From Madewell's gently used Brooklyn pop-up to Coach's tomorrow's vintage stores, brands are reintroducing their own products back into the life cycle. And then brands like Nudie Jeans, who through their repair shops are extending the lives of products already in the marketplace. Physical retail is the ultimate venue to encourage these new behaviors, and it's thrilling to see this momentum. Abatement number 5, clean up your mess. Encourage customers to return products to you, which you will recycle responsibly. Concepts like North Face's Close the Loop. Since 2013, all proceeds to land preservation, and they take garments from any brand. 2 million tons of textiles reclaimed equals 1 million cars off the road, and much of the raw material is 100% recyclable. And once again, a network of physical stores is the perfect vehicle. Imagine this final abatement applied to store design and manufacturing. A whole grassroots movement of stores selling gently used or rental clothing, perhaps from gently used or rental fixtures. So this is a roadmap for any retailer or manufacturer, irrespective of category or size. What are we waiting for? I believe this new path for our industry is wholly attainable. But like any journey, the only way to start is to take a first step. And seeing those changes is perhaps the thing I'm most excited about when I think of retail's future.